What's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome back to another video where tonight we're going to be doing a gaming test with this 65-inch Hisense A7G. Now the console that we're going to be using to test out this TV is the Xbox Series X, and the games that we're going to be testing out are Halo Infinite and Microsoft Flight Simulator. Just want to say a big thanks to the guys at box.co.uk who are kind enough to send over this Hisense TV for testing. And if you are looking to purchase a new TV for yourself, then please go and check out their link in the description. Right, before we get into the actual gaming, I just want to show you the 4K TV details about what this TV is capable of. So as we can see up the top there, it does say your TV supports 4K UHD at 60 Hz. But unfortunately down below, it does say your TV setup doesn't support 4K UHD at 120 because this TV doesn't have HDMI 2.1. But the good news is down below, it does say your TV supports Dolby Vision for gaming at 4K 60 Hz. Now, if we do come out of this and we go to resolution, we can see that's in 4K and refresh rate of 60. Now, if we change that to 1080p, and now we should be able to select refresh rate, if it's just confirm that, of 120 Hz. And there we go, 1080p, 120 Hz. Right, let's crack on then with the first game, so Halo Infinite. And as I promised in my last video, what we're doing is playing this in the dark. So if you didn't see my last video, I tested this TV out with the PlayStation 5. So if you want to see that, I'll put a link to that in the description so you can go and check that out for yourself and let's see how it plays. So anyway, first impressions, gaming with the lights off. So on this particular game, doesn't look too bad. We do have a bit of a glow going on when you move around to this side. It does wash out a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that. Now in daytime, obviously, you don't see that as much, but at night, it is a little bit more obvious. You know, I've got to be honest with you guys, you know, that's what I am all about honesty and that. So yeah, when you sit off axis at night, it does, you know, as we can see there, it does wash out quite a bit. Now, just to give you a few more details about this TV, because as we've established, it does only have HDMI 2.0, but as I've just shown you, you know, it's not all doom and gloom because we do have that Dolby Vision support there. We can do 1080p 120 so you can get nice and smooth. It does support VRR, auto low latency mode, and it has a dedicated game mode as well. So yeah, it's you know, got some good features for you gamers out there. I'm a gamer myself, so you know, I'd be pleased with those features at this price point, and that is what you've got to bear in mind, the price point. You know, this is 65 inches of TV for under 650 quid. So you know, you do have some negatives like this, and you know, you can get around those by going for a better TV, but you're going to have to pay more money if, you know, you want all the features, you know, plus your better viewing angles and, you know, your nice sort of colours and things like that. Now, changing up the game, and you may have just seen that it came up in the top right hand corner saying Dolby Vision. And that is one great thing about this TV. It actually lets you know that you are playing a game or a film in Dolby Vision. So yeah, no confusion there. And I think that's a great addition. Right, moving swiftly on now then, and we are playing Microsoft Flight Simulator. And yeah, this looks very nice indeed. So yeah, I was just going to mention about colours, and this being a QLED TV, the colours do look very nice on it. And if we just get up the picture settings, we can have a look. At the moment, we are in Dolby Vision Custom, but we do have Dolby Vision Bright, Dolby Vision Dark, and again, like I say, that Dolby Vision Custom. So yeah, a few options there. Like I say, it is a great addition having Dolby Vision available on a TV at this sort of price. Now, me getting up these menus here, again, just being totally honest, we can see like we've got like a glow going on there from that screen. If I move around again, it's looking a little bit nasty, isn't it, really? Look up the top, down there. Sorry, I'm getting my fingers in the way. So yeah, and obviously if this was more of a blacker image going on, then that would definitely stick out. So yeah, not the best. I don't think gaming on this TV in the dark is its strong point, if I'm being totally honest. But you know, that's just the way it is at the end of the day, and you know, I've got to point these things out to you guys. So don't expect the best dark room experience. But you know, if you sit sort of square on and you're playing sort of a game like this, then you know, it's not really going to be an issue at all. Right, so what I've just decided to do is, yeah, change it up to a night scene, because I totally forgot that you can actually change what time of the day or night that you're flying. Again, just to be honest with you guys, so as we can see, we do have like a glow going on down here and over there as well, and a bit going on at the top. I think, if I'm being honest, let me just adjust my camera a little bit. I think my camera's exaggerating it a little bit, but yeah, when you come round, look at that. Do you know what I mean? That's really starting to glow there. You know, that isn't good. So if you were sat off to the side at night, not very nice. Again, just please bear in mind, my camera is making it look probably a little bit worse than what it is in person. It's hard to sort of get the camera to really show the true image. But yeah, hopefully this will just give you a bit of an idea. So if you're playing something like this, you know, when it's dark like that, expect a bit of a glow, but the more square on that you sit, the better it becomes. So yeah, just keep that in mind. And there we go, we are back to the daytime now, and when it's a scene like this, it does look really, really nice, to be fair. Again, bearing in mind the price. So that is a wrap. And if you appreciate this video and my honesty, then do us a favour and spare me a second of your time to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then please consider doing so for more videos like this in the future. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.